Hello and welcome to another I Teach Stamping video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make another super cute card using two of my favorite stamp sets. This one is our Vintage Vogue and this is one of our clear mount sets. And this one is called Because I Care and it's one of our level 1 hostess sets. So I'm going to take the words Because I Care out of this box. And I've already pulled out the flowers and the ivy that I need from this stamp set and I mounted them on my clear blocks. I'm going to start with a piece of very vanilla cardstock. I'm going to take my ivy and I'm inking this in Old Olive. And I'm just going to make a cute little background across my vanilla cardstock here. Alright, so then I'm going to take my smaller flower and using rose red ink, I'm going to stamp it quite a few times. And then also in the rose red ink, I'm going to take the words Because I Care and stamp that right over to the side. Alright, so then on a separate sheet of Very Vanilla, I'm going to stamp our big flower from the Vintage Vogue stamp set. But before I stamp it on the vanilla, I'm going to stamp it onto my scratch paper, and then stamp, because I want it to be the same color, just a little bit lighter. Then I'm going to take the smaller flower and stamp that in the full strength of rose red. Then I'm going to cut those out. Through the magic of television, I've already cut those out. And I've just put a dimension on the back side of this one. So I'm going to layer that on here. And then behind this one I just took a mini glue dot. I'm going to layer it right on like that. Alright, so then I'm going to take one of my new favorite accessories. These are our rhinestone jewels, and I'll teach you a little trick with them. I like to take my paper piercer and just go right underneath it to get the glue with it. And then I can lay it right on top and just push it down with my finger. And that's an easy way to get it onto your card. See how it gives that nice little sparkle? Alright, so now I've made the top part of our card and I'm going to build the rest of it. Now I decided, like usual, that I wanted to add some texture to this card. So I'm going to take the rose red cardstock and my Big Shot, and I'm going to use our polka dot embossing folder. So I'm going to slide it into there, and then there's going to be a plate on the bottom and a plate on the top. I'm going to run it through, lickety split. And then I have our wonderful polka dots. So now I'm going to take the base of my cardstock, which is Old Olive. I'm going to put some snail on the back of my polka dotted rose red sheet. And layer that on the front. Then I'm going to take another piece of Old Olive and put that right on top of there. And you can just barely see that row of polka dots, which is exactly what I wanted because I still wanted the focal piece of this card to be my flowers. And then put that on the front, and then I have a super cute, super fast Thinking of You card for a friend. I hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial, and all the supplies are going to be listed on my website as well as dimensions for this card. Remember, you can order any of the supplies that you need to make this card at www.iteachstamping.com. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.